Alrighty, my name is Abram Zines, and this is my presentation for Media Lab 1. So, I plan to make my narrative about my journey through my growth in digital literacy and what steps I took to get where I am today. Of course, I'm going to talk about stuff like, where I started, my journey all the way up to the top, and where I am now. So my first baby steps into learning about what technology is and how to use it for things other than checking out books or Pokemon cards and slash episodes at the library was back in elementary school. Everyone had a computer room where it was really just an office for the parents, and that was all I had until 4th grade when I got to go to the computer labs on my itty-bitty campus. We got a typing class where I went, and of course, I would goof off and not actually type things, and would go on cool math games or Pop Tropica, when that was the next best thing since Club Penguin. My love for games had rooted in playing Pokemon with my brothers, but had sprouted that year since I was using computers instead of handheld devices. After getting an iPod Touch, I rarely used computers, and I grew to hate the thought of having to learn how to use one. Well, little did I know that these skills would later be the only way to succeed academically, just 6 years later. Of course, that's when my real growth sprouted, and instead of inching up like an apple tree, I shot up like a bamboo shoot. When we all first went home, it was hard for me to do assignments and homework since it took me so long to figure anything out. And of course, my friends give me a hard time about it. My senior year of high school got really boring because of it, and same with my freshman year of college. I kept learning more and more about computers, but it was always so challenging. Seeing the same people every day on my computer, more or less, made me pick up things pretty quick, and now I can do so much more with my computer than, just look stuff up and all that junk. I've always wanted a cool setup for my desk, and I always see streamers and YouTubers showing off their cool specs on the rigs, and I've always wanted to do that. And as you can see, it's not just there yet, but I'm on my way to get better. My setup isn't really super complicated. It's really just, my laptop with a monitor in the back connected, and then a wireless mouse because it's a lot easier to use at school, and a wired keyboard that I use for typing since the keyboard on my laptop doesn't have numbers on the side, and those are pretty beneficial to helping me do things. And well, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time.